Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the chapter Constitutional Design. Okay, and as you know that South African Constitution is deleted in from your syllabus. Only the section of South African Constitution. Okay, and we are going to start from here. Why do need a constitution? In 8th class you have read about that constitution. Why we have written constitution lengthiest, our constitution is rigid and flexible. Okay, why do we need the constitution? Why do we need the constitution? They all things we are going to share in this chapter. Okay, and if you know that if there will be no constitution, then how your government will work? If there is no written thing, then how your government is work, and how we are going to know about that government is work properly or not, in favor of us or not? If there is no constitution, then we cannot say that this country is a democratic country. In democratic we have the rights and other thing also. We need that, and we need the constitution because you know about that why do we need constitution? कि first it generate a degree of trust and coordination that is necessary for different kind of people to live together. कि by constitution we know about that कि why we are going to faith on constitution, because when your constitution going to be going in a process on that time, you know about that how many days they spend, how many people include in the constituent assembly. Okay, why they take a lot of time to, because they take the good features of other countries constitution and made a favorable and most important and largest constitution in the world. Okay, written document is there according to which any government can work. Okay, and necessary for the different kind of people to live together. How people will live together, unity should be there. Okay, and that's why they write in the constitution also कि what type of facilities given to the people. If rights we are going to give the rights to the people, how they will be protect the rights from other government and any other person. Okay, one features are there is a question why do we need constitution, and second कि how the government will work, earlier I shared with you, and third one is your कि it lays on limits of the government कि government has the limit to work according to constitution. If our government is not doing the work according to the constitution, on that time one constitution guardian is your Supreme Court, and Supreme Court always aware the government to do the work according to the constitution. Okay, and tells us what the rights of the citizen, and in our constitution they said to us that what type of rights we have, and you know about that 1976 the duties of the citizen also include in the constitution, how they are doing the work, if they have the right, and how they are going to obey the rights and use the right, what limitation are there also. कि if we are going to say against the country, it means we are going to misuse our right to speech. Okay, it expresses the fourth feature of the constitution is there कि it expresses the aspiration of the people about creating a good society. Aspiration of the people about creating a good society. If there will be a good society, on that time our country, our government will work smoothly. Okay, if there is some drawbacks in the society, then our country and our society will not do well. Okay, all countries that have constitution, but all countries that are the democratic will have the constitution. In democratic country always they have the constitution. After the war of independence against Great Britain, American gave themselves a constitution. You know about that American war of independence was also there, American also got the independence from Britisher. Okay, earlier Britisher set up a colony in America, 13 colony, and they implemented, when they implemented the taxes on them on that time, they raised the voice against the Britisher. Only Britisher were there on that time. Britisher, they settled the Britishers there, and they said that if we are Britisher, then why British government and British country implemented the taxes on us. And they also got the independence from the Britisher and make a constitution. Okay, after revolution, French revolution, you also know about a French revolution. They also French people approved, they also got the independence from the monarch Louis XVI. Okay, up to here you make the question, and you read the chapter. When our class will be going on that time, we will also discuss this content again. Okay, thank you.